Hi everyone, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
In yesterday's class, we have discussed about service catalog, theory part and workflow theory part. In today's class, we are going to discuss about catalog items. Okay, there are four types of service catalogs, right? Catalog item, record producer, order guide, and content item. Today, we are going to discuss about catalog item. So I have noted down some UI action examples and script include examples yesterday. I will send you with the today class notes, okay? And I have forwarded assignment 2, assignment 4, Starbucks stars to your Google Drive. You can check Google Drive and you can complete those assignments, and you can also start with the Starbucks mini project, okay? If you have any queries, you can ask me from that mini project. Yes. Catalog item. What is catalog item? Catalog item is a goods or service. Catalog item is a goods or service. So you can come here, you can check the docs definition. So you can see catalog item is a goods or service. Catalog item is a goods or service. If something can be ordered by itself, it is a catalog item. If something only makes sense of part of a uh, greater whole, it is a part of an item. Rather than an item, and then it or itself. For example, new Dell service is a catalog item. We don't require all those things. This is enough. Okay. A catalog item can be a good or service. Yes. So I'm also copying this URL. You can go to this URL and you can learn more about catalog items. Okay. I'm copying URL and I will also copy the YouTube video URL here. Next, what is the navigation for this catalog item? Under service catalog, we have catalog definition. Under catalog definition, we have maintain items. Items. Okay. Yes. So catalog item table name is sc underscore cat underscore item. Okay. This is the catalog item table name. So now I'm going to this navigation here, closing all the tabs. So you can see I'm typing may I and 10 items. Under service catalog, we have catalog definitions. Under catalog definitions, we have maintain items. So this catalog items table name should be sc underscore cat underscore item. Okay, sc underscore cat underscore item. Now I'm going to create a new catalog item. So I'm clicking on new button here. Okay, I'm clicking on new button here. So I'm saying my first catalog item. Okay, I'm saying my first catalog. So here we have different types of catalog. We already noted down the table names of catalog, service catalog, knowledge catalog, technical catalog, like that. Okay. So here we are creating a service catalog. Okay, we are creating a service catalog. Next. category. Here also we have different types of categories. We already noted down these categories table name also in yesterday class. So here you can see we have different types of categories, almost 38 categories we have. So based upon your organizational requirement, you have to select a category. Now I'm selecting category service. Under service catalog, I selected the category service. Okay. And item short description, it is asking for item short description. Maybe I'm keeping same. Okay. My first catalog item. Next, if you want to add any description for your catalog item, yes, you can add here. Okay, as of I'm not adding anything. Process engineering. Here you can see guys. So in interviews, they will ask one question. If for the catalog item, we haven't attached the workflow or flow designer, what will the default one? Default execution flow. That is default. Okay. So in catalog item, we haven't provided workflow or flow designer. Then it will execute what it will execute. Default execution flow. Okay. So here work catalog item contains at least empty workflow. Every catalog item contains at least some empty workflow. Now I'm going to create some empty workflow here. Okay. I'm clicking on workflow. I'm clicking on new button. So if you are creating workflow from the service catalog, you are creating workflow from the service catalog, the workflow will always created on the SC_REQ_item table. Okay. The workflow always created on the SC_REQ_item table. Yes. You can see the table is requested item table. Now I'm submitting it. Closing this one. You can come here. Now you can select your workflow, recently created workflow. My workflow name is by first catalog item. Okay. If you want to add any pictures to the current catalog item, you can add. Now I'm going to add 1 or 2 pictures here. Wait, I'm sorry. Where is pictures? Desktop, we have any pictures? Nothing we have. Maybe I'm adding this. Wait. Just we don't have any perfect picture. Maybe I will download one picture. Sample images. So I'm downloading this image. Down. So yes. So spec, where is our image? This is I hope. It's okay. I'm adding this one guy. Okay. Yes. Here I have added one picture. If you want to add pictures like this, yes, you can. Okay. Next, the pricing. You want to keep pricing for this particular catalog item. Yes, you can get, maybe here I'm saying $10. Maybe here I'm saying $1. Okay. Yes, recurrence frequency maybe daily. So portal settings we will discuss later. Okay, and I'm saving it. Any queries up to here? Please tell me. Any queries up to here? Now, so I will take the all variable types to here. I will try to explain it. Wait. Where is variable type? Yeah. Copying it. So you can from these few types you already know that. Checkbox. So everybody knows that what is the checkbox type? Yes or no? It's a kind of true or false field type. We already seen. Yes or no? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Anish.
Okay, it's a true or false field checkbox. So I'm not explaining here. Date time you already know. Email, it is a string field and it will check the email validation. We already know. Okay, next. Container start and container start, container end, and container split. Okay, so it should be begin, split, end. We have, right? We have begin, split, end in the forms. Yes or no? So
Yes,
these three will represent those types. Okay. Yes or no. This is a choice data type. Yes or no is a choice data type. Okay. By default, we will get the values. If we select yes or no variable type, by default, we will get yes or no choice values within the choice field. Okay. Yes. Next URL, you already knows that. Single line text. Single line text and multi-line text. Both are the string fields. Okay. So if we go to the instant form, we go to the instant form, we have short description and description. Okay. You can say short description here, short description, it's like a single line text. Description should be like a multi-line text. Okay, I'm removing it. I'm also removing it. Next, select box. Select box. It should be a like choice field value. Okay, choice field value. Select box is a choice field value. So we will select a choice data type in the forms, right? Same here, we will select the select box data type. In that, we will provide the choice values. Okay. Yes. Next, requester for it should be like a caller field in the instant form. It should be like a caller field in the instant form. Directly, we don't require to give a reference table is systems code user. By default, it will take. And you already know what is reference field and all. Okay. Yes. Next. And list collector. You already know the slush bucket. You already know the slush bucket or list data type. Okay, this list collector will work same as that. Maybe I will try to show you these data types. Okay, maybe these are new to new variable types from the service catalog apart from the form data type. Okay. Yes. First, I'm creating label data, label variable. Now you can come here, new. So here order is very, very important. Whatever the order you have given, within that order only variables will exist. Okay. Right. Label. I will say a label. Okay. So I'm separating it. Wait. Next data type. list collector name. Here order I'm giving 200. List collector I'm selecting. Okay. List collector. So here the name also I'm giving same list collector. Guys, here you can see question should be like a label, name should be like a field back name kind. Okay, got it? Okay. So variable back name is this one. Variable label is this one. Okay. In the type specification, we have to provide the reference table. Maybe I'm providing incident table, for example. Okay, I'm providing incident table. Yes, I'm submitting it. Next, you can scroll down and I'm going to create a next variable type. What it is? Multiple choice. I will create multiple choice first of all. Multiple choice means radio buttons. We haven't seen in the form data types. Okay. Full choice. Okay. So in the question also I'm saying multiple choices. Multiple choices. Yes, I'm saving this variable. And we have to provide a choice value. So we have to provide a choice value. Scroll down. So here I'm saying value 1. Value 2. Save. Okay, value 1, value 2, so update. Next, you can scroll down. Next, I'm going to create a lookup multiple choice. Okay. Next, I'm going to create a lookup multiple choice. 400. Lookup multiple choice. Lookup multiple choice. Type specification. Here we have to provide a table. What table we can provide? Maybe I'm saying instance table. So if we select instant table, we have many values. Okay, we have many values. Wait. We have any table which contains only less fields. Yeah, maybe I'm selecting unique values only here. Then I will select the state field. Then we will get only 5 values here. Okay. Yes, state unique values only. I selected. Then we will get only 5 records here. Then I'm updating it. Wait. Submit. Lookup multiple choice and multiple choice both will give you the radio buttons only. The difference is if it is a multiple choice, you have to provide the choice values. If it is a lookup multiple choice, you have to select the choice values from the different tables. Okay, even select box and lookup select box have the same behavior. If it is a select box, it is select box and lookup select box both are the like choice data types. Okay, and if it is a select box, you have to provide the choice value. If it is a lookup select box, you have to select the values from the different tables. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm going to create a lookup select box also. Order I'm giving 500. Giving 500. Question. Lookup select box. Okay, here I'm selecting lookup select box. Okay, the type specification. What we can say, which table can we take? Maybe I'm planning to take sys underscore user table. Okay, sys underscore user table. Okay, yes. Which field value you have to select? Name field value. Okay, from the user table. I'm submitting it. You can try it now. Yes, I have created few variables, almost 5 variables I have created, and remaining details also I filled. You have any queries here? Tell me.
No, Anji.
Okay, fine. Now I'm trying it. Then it will open the catalog item form. You can see. Right. So image we have added, this image we have added. And so you can see the label will always display like this. The label will always display like this. Okay, label data type. So this is list collector data type. This is list collector data type. Okay, slash bucket kind. Okay, so you can able to select the records here, whatever the records you want. Okay, got it. Next, multiple choice. You can see value 1 and value 2. So you can see look up multiple choice, new, in progress, on hold, result, closed only. So why here we have getting 5 values? Because of there we selected unique values only, true. Okay, then look up select box, all user records will appear here. Okay, any queries from here? Yes.
No, Anji.
Okay, fine. So same catalog item we can see from the service portal and how the fields looks like. Okay, we'll see. Wait, cancel. You can go to the service portal home. In real time, everyone will order a catalog items from the service portal only. Most of the employees in the organization. Okay, nobody will order items from this view. Okay. Yes, mostly everyone will order items from the service portal only. So that's why we have to see service portal view also. Browse by categories. Our catalog item in services. Yes, under office, we have services. So where is our catalog item? This is our catalog item. My first catalog item. What is the cost of our item? 10 rupees, $10. Okay. Yeah, my first catalog item. Yes. So you can see it looks like this. Okay. Though, so this is a label. This is the label variable type. This is a list collector. Okay, here you have to select a value, whatever the values you want. Okay, so in the from the Servicenow platform, it is showing different. Here it is showing different. You can see. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes, multiple choices. Value 1, value 2. Look up multiple choice. It is appearing. Look up select box. Okay, yes. Any queries here? Tell me. So you can see quantity we are ordering one item, price is so $10 and recurring price is $1 daily. Okay, add to cart, order now button we have. Okay, so here we have attachment icon. So here you can see, guys, for example, in the multiple choices, in the lookup multiple choices in the select box, we don't have none option. Okay, we want to provide the none option. You can go to the wait. You can go to the catalog item. Wait, again, I'm going to maintain items. I'm going to maintain items. What is our catalog item? My first catalog item. And scroll down. So maybe I'm going to select box, look up select box. Okay, any variable type, you can go to the type specification. Okay, you can select include none. So here you can say include none. Okay, then you will get none option also. Got it? You have to click on the include none under type specification, then you will get none option also. Yeah. Now you can come and refresh from the service portal view. None option also will appear. Reload. Yes. Okay, here you can see we have none option or not in the lookup select box. Yes, we have none option. If we want to provide reference qualifier, yes, we can able to provide that. Okay. Any queries? Okay, fine. Now we can also see the service portal setting. Okay. You can come to the catalog item. You can go to the portal settings. For example, there it is showing quantity. In the catalog item itself, it is showing quantity. I don't want the quantity. You can click on hide quantity. Okay, for example, you don't want add to cart button also. For example, you don't want add to cart button and quantity. Then you can click on this hide add to quantity, hide quantity. Okay, and you can save. Then this add to cart and quantity buttons will not appear here. You can see, you can come and refresh here. So you can see. Is it appearing? Quantity and add to cart buttons? No, it is not appearing. So again, if you want to hide wish list, wait. Now you can say, for example, if you want a request instead of order button, you want request. You can select request and save. Then you can come here and refresh. The button will change to request. Okay, changed or not? Changed. Okay. For example, you don't want request button also. For example, you want submit button. Okay, you can select here. You can save. Now submit button will appear. Okay. Submit. Then next, for example, you don't want add to wish list. Add to wish list. Wait. So here you can see when you click on submit. When you click on submit, yes, it is directly submitting. No problem. So you can see if you don't want add to wish list, we have to hide. But there it is not showing add to wish list. Okay. There it is not showing add to wish list. So if you are able to see the add to wish list, if you want to hide it, yes, you can hide like this. And if you want to hide the attachment, you can click on the hide attachment. I'm saving it. Now you can come and refresh here. Now attachment icon also will not appear. Okay, is attachment icon appearing here? It is not appearing. Okay. Next, if you want to make attachment mandatory, you can keep this and click on mandatory attachment and you can save it. Okay. Yes. Now you can see attachment is mandatory. Yes. Okay. Now you can see without attachment, if you are planning to submit, it will not accept. Okay. Is everybody got it? Portal settings. If we want to hide the price, we can also hide the price. We have hide price, hide checklist, something like that kind of button field is there. We have to configure from the form layout. Okay. Maybe you can try by going to the form layout. Yes. Next, workflows. Maybe I will explain few activities with workflow from the next catalog item. Okay, I'm closing all the tabs here. Leave. Now I'm going to write a few catalog items here. Okay, almost 6 to 7 catalog items I will write here. From that I will explain to remaining 4 we have to do. Okay, first one, add group, right? Add group to user. Second one, add role to user. Third one, remove group from user. Remove role from user. Fifth one, add or remove group to user. From user cancel. Sixth one, add, remove role from user. Seventh one, add, remove group role from user. Okay, these are the 7 catalog items. So I will explain one, maybe add group to user, remove role from user. Okay, one add operation, remove operation, I will tell you. So remaining catalog items also same functionality. Okay, but it's applying on role and group only. Okay, like adding the role, adding the group, removing the role, removing the group only. Okay, so one addition related one I will explain, and one removal thing explain. Okay, remaining you can do at your home. So here you can see, if you go to the 5th and 6th examples, you have to create one. So if it is a add group to user, what are the variables we have to create? User and group. Yes or no? If it is a add group to user, we have to create a two variables, that is user and group. If it is a add role to user, we have to create a 2 variables, role and user. Okay, even if third one group user, fourth one user role, we have to create these 2 variables. Fifth one operation group user, 3 variables we have to create. For sixth one operation role user, we have to create 3 variables. Seventh one you have to create an operation variable. In that we have to mention 2 choice values, add, remove. So you have to create a target variable. In that you have to mention group or role, and you have to create a user variable also. Okay, like this you have to create the variables in each catalog item. Yes, now I'm going to add group to user. Add group to user. Yes, I'm copying it. So I'm going to create a new catalog items. I'm going to maintain items. Yes, I'm clicking on new button. Add group to user. Okay, so catalog is service catalog. Categories under services I'm adding. Okay, yes. So item description, in the short description I'm adding it. So I'm going to the process engine. I will also create one default workflow for this catalog item. Yeah. If you are creating workflow from the catalog item, then it always create on the requested item table. Workflow always created on the requested item table. Okay. So I'm also closing this workflow. We'll come to this workflow later. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes. Now I'm saving it. Yes. Add group to user. Item details. Costings now. Everything we have. Okay. Now you can come to the variables. You can create a 2 variables. First I'm creating a user variable. Okay. I'm giving order 100. Reference data type I'm taking. Okay. Reference data type I'm taking. Question. User. Right. Yes, user. So here user is reference to user table. This underscore user table. Okay. Yes. I'm submitting it. Then scroll down. Second one. Second one also is reference data type. Okay. Order I'm giving 200. So what is the group reference table name? This underscore user underscore group. Okay. Variable name is group. Submit it. And I will also add user group image. Which image we can add? Maybe this one is better. Save image. Download one. Page. Yes, I'm adding this image also here. For appearance, you can say picture choose file. Now you can try it. Now you can try it. You can see how it looks like user group and some icon here. Okay, how it looks like user and group. For example, I'm selecting the user Anju. I want to add this Anju user to my first group. Okay, when we submit order now, we have to add a Anju user to my first group. Okay, Anju user to my first group. For that, what we have to perform? Please tell me, guys. We have to perform a glide record insert operation on GR member table, and we have to write that logic in the workflow. Okay, got it? We have to write glide record insert operation on the GR member table. We have to write this script on the workflow. Yes, I will write it down. Again, I'm going to maintain items. Wait. I'm opening it. And you can see, I want to make that user and group variables mandatory. I want to make that group and user variables mandatory. Okay. Yes. So here we have mandatory. You can select the mandatory here. Okay. For group user, I'm making mandatory. Group also I will make mandatory. Okay. Yes. Two variables we made mandatory true. Now you can come and refresh here. You can see it is both are mandatory. Yes. Now I'm going to workflow. I will create that glide record insert operation. Okay. Going to process engine. You can click on this triangle symbol. It will open our workflow. Guys, here we have to note down the one point. If your workflow in checked out state, it will not capture in the update set. It will not visible to the all users in your organization. We will note down the point also. If workflow in checked out state, workflow if workflow in checked out state, okay, it will not capture in update set, and it is not available to, users. Users. And it is only accessible to you. So everyone got this point. If workflow in checked out state, it will not capture in update set, and it is not available to users, and it is only accessible to you. Got it, everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If workflow published, it will be sharing in update sets, and it is all users. Okay. And if you want to edit the workflow should be in the checked out state only. Okay. If you want to edit the workflow, it should be in checked out state. Got it, everyone? Same. Same. Now you can come here. Now I'm going to create a glide record insert operation. Yes. I have clicked on that line. And I'm clicking the delete button on my keyboard. Okay, I'm clicking on the delete button on my keyboard. Yes, that transition line is gone. Now I'm going to write some script, right? What is the workflow type? What is the workflow activity type to write a script? I have run script activity. Okay, I have run script activity. I have clicked on my mouse pointer. I'm just dragging here. Okay, I have clicked on the mouse pointer. I'm dragging here. Okay, yes. So here I'm saying maybe same add group user. And stage I'm giving fulfillment. Okay, perfect. Now we have to write a glide record insert operation. Before that, in interviews, they will ask one question. How to call catalog item variables to server side. Okay. Current dot variables dot variable name. The current dot variables dot variable name. Okay. How to call catalog item variables to line side. Why using G underscore form API. Got it, everyone? I hope everyone got it. Now you can come where user variable equal to current dot current dot variables dot variable name user, where group equal to current dot variables dot group. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes. Now I have taken two variables user and group, and I'm assigning user value to user variable, group value to group variable. Now I'm writing glide record insert operation. So what is the relationship table for user and group? This underscore user underscore gr number. Yes, I'm writing glide record on that table where gr equal to new glide record of sys underscore user underscore gr member gr dot initialize gr dot insert. Okay, perfect. So now we have to set the user variable and group variable with that columns. Gr dot user equal to user, gr dot group equal to group. Okay. Yes, any queries you have from this script, please let me know. I'm formatting the code. Yes, any queries?
And admin code.
Okay. So I'm copying this code to Notepad also. Submit. Right. So see, control V. This is the first example. Save. Now you can see, yes, we have created run script activity. Fine, perfect. So if you have to drag this one somewhere to somewhere, you have to click on mouse pointer. You can drag like this wherever you want. Okay, I'm keeping like this. Now I want to add a transition lines here. You can click on this yellow color. You can click on this yellow color point on the workflow activity. You can click on mouse pointer and you can just drag. It will connect with a line, transition line here also. Got it, everyone? Yes, I have connected with transition lines and I'm publishing it. If we publish, this workflow will also capture in the update set and it will be available to all the users in the organization. Okay, yes, perfect. Now you can click on try it now. Now I'm selecting ng user. So first of all, I will go to the ng user. Okay. Underscore user dot list. This underscore user dot list. I'm going to ng user. Okay. So I will check on which groups he is a member. Now you can come. So in which groups he is a member? Servicenow administration, service desk support. Okay. Yes. Now I'm saying here software group. I'm saying software group here. So what is our requirement here? We have to add this ng user to software group. Yes or no? This ng user to software group. Now I'm clicking on order now. Yes. Yes. Request is created. This is request. Request means order ID. Request means order ID. You can scroll down. Under that, we have RITM is created. Requested item ID. Okay. Yes. Yes, requested item ID also created. So you can scroll down RATM. You can scroll down. Here we have show workflow. You can check what happening with the workflow. Yes. Workflow is completed. So here workflow is completed. You can see. So how to identify whether the workflow is executing or completed based upon the some color codes here. You can see. If you open executing workflow by clicking on the show workflow on a RATM form. Okay. In the RATM form, we have related link called show workflow. Okay. When you go to click on show workflow, it will open that particular record related execution of workflow. Okay. So how to identify which activity is current executing, in which activity we got error and all. Yes. Here we have color codes. Okay. If the color is in green color, if the color is in green color, that means it is executing that particular activity. Executing that particular activity. Okay. If the workflow activity code is in blue color, workflow activity code is in blue color, Yes, execution is completed, that particular activity. If it is a red color, we got error within that particular activity. If it is a orange color, that particular activity is cancelled. If it is orange color, we have timed out. Okay. If it is ash color, it is restarted. Okay, these are the color codes. Based upon this color codes for the workflow activities, we can identify what happening there. Okay. You can look into it, and if you have any queries, ask me. Okay. Yes. Here the code is executed. Now you can go to the Anji user and you can refresh this Anji user. Now you can see software group is added or not for Anji user. Yes or no? Tell me guys, software group is added or not?
Yeah, it is
Yes.
added.
Yes, software group is added. Yes, fine. Wait. By mistake, I have closed this go. Perfect. I'm closing this one. I'm closing this one. I'm closing this one. This one also. Yes, I'm also closing this one. Again, I'm going to add group to user. Right. Now can see. Here I'm selecting Anji user. So now I'm selecting something like Servicenow administration group here. Okay. Servicenow administration. Guys, you can see this Anji user is already a member of Servicenow admin. Okay. So again, I'm trying to select a Servicenow admin group. Is it correct? Is it correct? So now,
No, Anji, but we have to modify it.
yeah, we have to do some reference qualifier. We will do that. For example, whenever we select a Anji user, here we don't require to display the user already in that groups. Okay. So the user already within that group. We don't require to display that user groups. Okay. Whenever we select user, based upon this user, we have to hide this user existing groups. Got it what I'm saying here?
Yes, Anji, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, if we select Anji user, we don't require to display Servicenow administration group, software group, service desk group. Okay, yes, we will do that one. For that, I'm going to script include. Under system definition, we have script include. Now I'm clicking on new button. So I will say catalog util. So all catalog item related script includes, I will write down here. Okay, that's why I kept catalog it. Now next, get user groups. I'm saying like this, get user groups. Get user groups. Yes. Function. Yes. So now we can come here and how to get that user variable here. Both are client side only, right? If it is advanced reference qualifier, yes. Where user equal to current to dot variables dot. Okay, here we will get the user sys ID. What is the relationship table for user and group? GR member table. Okay, GR member table. Yes, we have to go for that table and we have to bring the group sys ID is the user present. Okay, where GR equal to new glide record of sys underscore user underscore GR MD GR member. Okay, yes. GR dot add query of. So what are the fields we have in GR member table? user group table, user field, group field we have. Okay. Now I am filtering with user field, user, comma, user side. Next, gr.query. We don't know how many records we'll get. That's why I'm writing while loop here. gr.next. So here I'm declaring array one array where user groups, where user groups equal to empty array. Okay. So otherwise you can declare data also. Your wish. Maybe I'm declaring data. So data dot push off, data dot push off. So here we have to get jar dot get value of jar dot get value of group. Okay, jar dot get value of group. Next, return data. I'm returning this array. Okay, guys, got it, everyone. This in the here in the data, we will get all groups inside is that user part of that groups. Okay, you will get the societies of groups that user present. Okay, got it, everyone.
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay, fine. In the data, for example, Anji user have 3 groups: service desk, software, service no administration. Yes, the 3 groups societies will get here. Okay. Next, again, I'm writing another function. Exclude exclude user groups. Otherwise, I will say get. I'm saying something like this. Get group function. I'm saying get group. Wait. Get user groups there. Here I'm saying get group. Okay. Yes. Where I'm saying something like data equal to new this dot function name. What is the function? Get user groups. So tell me, guys, what I did here in the data array, in the data object, I'm bringing this data into this data. Okay, got it, everyone? Or maybe I will say groups. I will say groups, where groups equal to this dot get user groups. Okay, within this groups, we have the selected user groups inside it. Next, if we know the groups inside is, we can able to exclude, right? Yes. So I'm writing glide record on where gr equal to new glide record on sys underscore user. Glide record on sys underscore user. Sorry, sys underscore user underscore group. Okay, in the group table we have to write gr dot add query of sys id not in. Okay, we have to exclude the user groups, right? That's why I'm writing not in groups. Okay, perfect. Next, gr.query. While next. So here I'm saying I'm declaring one more array here. I'm declaring array also here. What the name you can take here? Maybe I'm saying data again. Guys, if I'm taking if I'm giving same naming convention for multiple variables, is it okay? Or you have any confusions here? Tell me, based upon that I will utilize, because of this is separate function and this is separate function. Okay. Is it okay if I'm taking like this?
Okay అండి.
Yeah, data dot push off, gr dot get value of, gr dot get value of, sys ID. Okay, yeah, perfect. So now here we have to return sys ID, in operator also I'm directly writing, plus data dot join. We have to send this like filter condition, right? I'm separating with comma. Everybody got this line. What it is doing, it will send sys ID in all sys IDs from that group table, excluding that user groups. Okay. Yes, everybody got it. What this return statement doing? So how to call this to that reference call for JavaScript colon new script include name dot function name get group. Yes, any queries here? Please let me. I'm copying it and saving it. Yes. Script include is always asking something, some role. Yes, I'm giving admin role. Okay. Yes. You can come to that catalog item. You can scroll down. So we have to add this reference qualifier to group variable. So that's why I'm opening group variable. I will go to that type specification. There I will provide the reference qualifier. Okay. Wait. Advanced, I'm selecting advanced. I'm providing advanced reference qualifier here and updating. Okay, perfect. Now I'm trying it. Close this. Yes, now I'm selecting end user. I'm trying to select service now. So you can see, is Servicenow administration group is appearing here. Servicenow administration. Is that group appearing here?
No అండి.
No, it is not appearing. Even can check for software group. No, it is not appearing. Even service desk. So you can see what is the group that user contains, service desk support. This group is also not appearing here. Okay, you can see service desk support not appearing. Okay, even if you click on this icon and you can check how many groups here. How many groups here we have?
53.
53 groups. Okay. If you go here, you will find the 56 groups. Okay. Transfer user underscore group. You can see 56 groups. That means that 3 groups are excluding or not. Yes, exactly excluding. Yes. So I will note down this code here. Where is our script include? Yes, as of now, I'm copying entire script include to Notepad. So from this script, if you have any queries, please ask me here. This we have used in the advanced reference qualifier. Any queries from here? Okay, fine.
అంజయ్ సార్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ న్యూ కేటలాగ్ యూటిలిటీ అని ఉంది కదా,
అవును.
గెట్ గ్రూప్ అని. అంటే మనం ఈ సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఒక్కటే కాల్ చేస్తున్నామా లేకపోతే?
Yes, second function. Yes, we are calling only second function. Okay. So first function we don't require to call. Why? Because the first function we are already calling into the second function. Yes or no? So you can see
Yeah,
we're
I
already
get.
calling into the first function.
Yeah.
First function we're already calling to the second function. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Any queries here? Any queries?
No.
Okay, fine. Next you can see. So in the organization, yes, we have ng user. So I am the ng user. I am trying to order this item. I'm trying to order this item. So is that group directly add to me? In the organization, it should not like that. We have to get approval from that concerned group and from the our manager also. Okay.
Yeah. In
Okay.
the flow, we have to
Yeah,
decide.
in the workflow we have to add. So if we are adding from group to user, we have to get approval from that particular group, approval from that particular user also, approval from that manager, that user manager also. Okay, then only we have to add this particular group to that user. Okay, we'll do that flow. Now, wait, I'm going to workflow again. Yes, I'm going to workflow here. So you can see now the workflow is in published state. Now I'm trying to edit some this run script activity. It will not work. Okay, got it? It will definitely not editable because of it is in published state. Now I'm clicking on checkout. Yes. Now we have to add approval user activity first of all for getting the manager approval. So manager approval, I'm saying manager approval. So if it is a manager approval, we have to select the stage waiting for approval. Waiting for approval. Okay, yes. So you can see now I'm trying to select. So as I selected the user, I'm clicking on the hierarchy symbol, request manager. Okay, requested for manager. I'm selecting requested for manager. Yes. So here, if you are saying requested for manager means it will go to the current logged in user manager approval. Okay, got it what I'm saying? Who is our current logged in user? System administrator.
Uh,
Okay, now it will go to the system administrator approval. System administrators manager approval, I'm saying. Okay, system administrators manager approval, not that user approval. Okay, yes, first of all, we will see this one, then after I will change it to our selected user manager approval. Okay, yes, I'm locking it. Submit. Yes, then after it has to go for that particular group approval. We don't know which group we will give manually, so then I will give that group then after some time. Okay, first of all I'm giving the manager approval, then we'll try for the group approval. Okay, even it is rejected, I'm ending the workflow. Okay, perfect. Any queries? Now I'm publishing it. Now you can go to the catalog item and refresh here. Yes. Here I'm selecting ng user only. Now I'm trying to add ng user to hardware group. Okay, if I'm trying to select software group or service desk support group, or it will not appear because of this user are already in that group. Okay, now I'm selecting hardware group. Yes, now I'm ordering it. Now you can see request will be created. Under that request, requested item also created. And come here, you can scroll down. Yes, requested item. Under requested item, you can see it is waiting for the manager approval. You can see approvals. So who is system administrator's approval manager? Who is system administrator's manager? Abil tutor. It's waiting for Abil tutor's approval. You can see what happening with approval user activity. Currently, it is in progress. Yes or no? It is running currently. Okay, that's why it is showing in green color. Got it, everyone? Now, wait. Where is that? Guys, so while explaining the rules, I said one thing. So if the user want to approve any approvals, what is the role we require? Approver underscore user role is required. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you remember that? Yes. If Abil tutor has approver underscore user role, he will go to the my approvals. Okay, he will go to the under service test or self services, he will go to the my approvals. Yes. Now you can think we are logged as Abil tutor. Okay. Yes, he will go to no. Wait. He's going to my approvals. So here we require us Abil tutor's approval. Right?
Ability to, we have to impersonate.
No, we don't. So basically, Abil tutor that don't have that role right now. Yes or no? We don't. That user don't have role. In the real time, if any user want to approve the approvals, then that user contains the approver underscore user role. Okay. Ramakrishna got it? No. Just tell me, guys. Yes, the approval went to Abil tutor.
Ability.
If Abil tutor want to approve the request, what role he required? Approver underscore user role.
Approver underscore user role.
User role is required. Now, but now in our personal developer instance, we haven't provided approver underscore user role to Abil tutor. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I'm navigating to this my approvals, and I'm showing how the Abil tutor see the record and all. Okay.
Okay.
You can see. Abil tutor will see this record like this, and he will check about this catalog item, and he will approve or reject. Okay, got it? He will approve or reject it. Yes. For example, he is okay with this request, and he is approving. Abil tutor is approving now. You can think like that. Okay. Yes, Abil tutor is successfully approved. Now you can come and refresh this workflow. Yes, it is executed. Now you can come to the end user and you can see hardware group is added. Okay. Yes. Added or not? Hardware group is added.
Yes.
Next. 1 minute. So I'm planning to stop class here. We have only 3 minutes time. Tomorrow, what I have to explain from this catalog item? User manager approval. Next to group approval. I'm sorry. Next, user manager approval, group approval. Some decoration. It's my own terminology. Decoration means okay. You don't think it is a different concept from workflows. Okay, it's my own terminology. So we have to add some extra workflow activities within that particular workflow. That's I'm saying some decoration workflow. Okay, it's for my understanding. Okay, fine. So first of all, I will take attendance. So for the development, very less members are joining to the classes. It's up to you. So okay, if you learn development and administration both, you will get more calls. If it is only administration, you will get very less calls, very less salary, I will say. Okay. That's it. 04 2023. Yeah. 7. Yes, we have 2 minutes time. If you have any queries, please tell me. We'll discuss.
ఈ సర్వీస్ క్యాటలాగ్ కానీ క్యాటలాగ్ ఐటమ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయడంలోనే ఎక్కువ మన రోల్ ఉండిద్ది అనుకుంటున్నానండి.
Exactly. So based upon the organization, so you will get the requirement. So yesterday I told you right. So almost when I worked with second company, almost I worked with only service catalogs for 1.5 years. I can say 1.5 year. Okay. So
Yeah.
even in my current company, in my current project also, I'm working from last 2 years. We can say almost for 9 months, I did the catalog items work only. Okay. That's what it is, very, very important concept. Okay.
ఓకే.
Yes.
ఈ సర్వీస్ పోర్టల్ కూడా మనం ఇంకా కంపెనీకి ఇచ్చే పోర్టల్ లాంటిదే కదా?
Yes, exactly. So basically, service portal is different thing, you can say.
అంటే
So
ఆర్గనైజేషన్ యూజర్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసే సర్వీసే
yes,
కదా?
exactly. It's kind of website look and feel. Okay. Service portal is kind of website look and feel. You can say. Okay.
ఓకే.
Yes. Thank you, team. So thank you. So we will meet tomorrow with another catalog item and this pending things from this catalog. Guys, if it possible, you can try to complete add role to user. Same functionality. Instead of group, we have to take the role variable. Instead of GR member table, we have to take the user role relationship table. What is that? Sys underscore user underscore has underscore role. Okay. And even whatever the advanced reference qualifier we have written, that is also same. Instead of group, you have to keep a role. Okay. Got it, everyone? Please try to complete second catalog item, add role to user.
ఓకే అండి.
Same as catalog item we did in today class. Okay. So please try to practice that one. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
బాయ్.